Benden bir SS. Balon Date ekibi yayından çıkalım. Ha, tehdit mi var?
Ha, okey. Ekip olarak mı geldiniz? Nereden geliyorsunuz?
Tehdit işi mi var? Ney, Balon Date yarın mı? Anlamadım.
Okay.
Anam buradan başladık.
Arkadaşlarının ve kendilerinin FC26 için ratinglerini tahmin edecekler. Bununla
Bence de çıkalım. Ya hocam siktirin gidin, kusura bakmayın da yani bir plan program var yani. Kalp kırmıyoruz diye hani sabah almıyoruz diye mi bu şekilde davranılıyor? Hani aman kimseyi yüzmeyelim, dostlarımızdır, arkadaşlarımızdır dediğimiz için, hani özellikle kalp kırmamaya çalıştığımız için bu şekilde yapıyorsanız ayıp ediyorsunuz.
The rating reveal.
Olaya bak, tehdit. Amına koyayım, Balon Date açsam şimdi FC'nin şeyi bekleyenler biz çıkıyoruz desen olacak. Ekranı ikiye mi böleceğiz? Ayıp etmeyin beyler.
Başlıyoruz. Okay, Sarah, first you. Your ratings, please come up here. And I have a board marker for you. Yeah. So,
Sara maksimum 77 olmalı.
okay, first, you guess your overall
Daha
rating.
fazlasını hak ediyor.
Yeah.
Hayır.
What do you think?
Nasıl hayır ya?
64?
For me, I think 64.
No, I will guess.
Osimhen'e bak, 64 olabilir diyor.
Right,
Okay.
What is this?
78.
78.
78 çok yazdı. Vallahi çok
Abi,
yazdı.
Abartma abi.
Vallahi çok yazdı.
Abi Orkun Kökçü 82 oyunda.
Tamam abi, Orkun Kökçü
What do
olabilir.
you think, guys?
Kamerayı sağ üste alayım mı? Daha mantıklı değil mi? Rahat rahat izleyelim. Zolamını ezrabım, vızımını ben de kaynadım. Aman beyler, Kürtçe şarkı dinliyorum. Yoksa ben bir terör destekçisi miyim? Kürtçe şarkı söyledim. Bir daha izlemeyelim Ataberk Doğan. Ne dersiniz? Platform al hemen buraya koy. Aman ya Rabbim.
No?
No chance, my
Don't put me down, bro. Come
No, no, for me 80.
80.
Bro, respect him, bro.
Osi, what do you think? What do you think?
What do you say?
Kamerayı biraz küçülsen okey olur gibi ya.
Ya sus, sikeceğim şimdi seni. Çok mutlular bunlar. Niye bu kadar mutlu?
Abi 80 milyonluk forvetimiz var. Icardi geri
He has
döndü
quality,
sana
but
geldi.
he has quality, but nah. 78, no.
Too much for you?
Too much.
Too much.
70.
Çok da.
70. 70. Oh my.
Bence de ben Osimhen'e katılıyorum. Sara maksimum 70 olmalı abi.
You don't have speed, my friend.
In the what? It's just hey, there's a lot of qualities here, not just speed, bro. We go to attributes too.
Doğru
I let him,
karar
I let
abi.
him, I let him.
Yeah, Sane, what do you think?
I think it's alright. It's okay.
Yeah, Maro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a good guess.
and you think it's a
Yalnız yukarıda hakikaten Ataberk Doğan oluyor gibi. He?
Yok abi iyileşecek.
Vallahi
İyileşecek.
gidişat bir Ataberk
Abi
Doğan.
ameliyat oldu abi ameliyat
Surat
oldu.
birebir bu arada da.
80.
No,
Abi
for me
ameliyat
is
oldu, ilaç verdiler.
underrated. I think
Underrated player.
for me is 80, 81.
80, 81. Okay, we'll check that. First, we go to pace.
We'll
This
see
is
who's
pace.
right.
This is pace. Yeah, this is. But I have to guess. Yeah, I have to guess. I'll put zero.
65. 65.
71 falan ya.
65.
Abi 65
Güzel,
ya.
50. Bravo, delikanlı adammış. Saray'ı tebrik ediyorum, 50 yazdı.
Swear, bro. Hey.
Güzel.
He won't move in the game.
I'll give you a hint. Mauro, what do you think?
55.
Yeah. Mario?
Nah, come on, 50s. Bro, it's my son. My son is 50. So maybe 63. What's the lowest number on pace on the
I don't
game?
know, man.
Kumanizm.
You want to give him the lowest?
No. I just want to know so I can guess better.
I think like I've seen 35 once.
Wow.
35? Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, then we move to shooting.
I has yeah.
80.
Yeah?
Şut 80.
Yeah.
I think
Not too much, yeah?
80.
Wait. 80.
Bu dedim ne garip 8 yazıyor lan.
Bak baba objektif adam. 80 güzel, mantıklı. Beyler çok acıktım ha.
I think it's reasonable.
Yes, yes,
Yeah?
yes.
We all agree? Okay. Passing. Also high. I put me high. Yeah.
Pas mı? 85. 85.
Yeah, let them see as well.
Anasını ama 80 olur ya. 87 de olur. 87 de
İkiden ne
olur.
olacak
Yeah,
ya?
yeah, yeah.
Hadi olur.
Also though.
90. Oh, see? He's not always putting it down.
Bro, thank you.
Yeah?
At least one.
You guys agree?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Dribbling.
57.
I put 7.
Oha!
Oo bu çok.
Oha!
No,
55?
you're more than.
I think should be higher.
Come on, respect yourself, bro.
Because dribbling gets you the pace.
No, I know what you want. You want to see a better number. Yeah. you get slow.
Yeah.
You get slow. You get, okay, okay.
Yeah,
75.
I have to look humble here.
Okay, defense.
Lemina'nın hiç böyle bir karakter olacağını tahmin etmiyordum.
Çok sert geliyor değil mi?
Lemina böyle asosyal suratı asık bir tip gibi bir şey bekliyordum. Makara elemanmış.
Hepsi öyle abi.
Okay, okay.
60.
35 falan defans.
Reasonable?
I think more.
As midfielder, I say more.
I think more.
I know what you give, brother. I know what you give.
65, 70.
But hey, you were my psychology.
Brother, I know what you give.
Okay, physicality.
71.
I can help you for that. This is defense, and this is physical.
75?
75.
That's too much, bro.
It's too much. You think it's too much? Hey,
I have to be honest, you know? Bro,
have you seen me work in the gym?
yeah, no, I see.
Hey, I'm a
I
machine.
saw you on the field.
Downstairs, I'm a machine. Huh?
On the field, I
Güzel video.
Neyin şimdi? Neyin?
Okay, let's reveal, slowly. But let's start with these, and then in the end, overall. Okay, pace. You said 50, and it is.
Oh, he's coming.
74.
Oyunu iade etmezsen piçim. Bu ne lan? Sara 74 hız ne?
Ah, yeah. 74.
Hey, I'm buying this game. I'm buying this game, bro.
Okay, shooting.
Güzel.
Come on. No,
Okay.
this is not right.
This is not
Pas
right. I
ver.
agree. Passing,
I think the passion is 80.
83.
Güzel.
It's okay.
Okay. Reasonable.
Dribbling.
Abi dribbling inanılmaz fazla ya.
79.
Bu okey ya.
Defense, 68.
Yes, strong. Yes.
Good, it's good.
Yeah,
Good.
Yes.
it's a good card and physicality.
Let's see if you're right or I'm right.
Are you
Şutu biraz az. Bana göre. Driblingi fazla.
watching? I don't know. Are you watching Gala or not? Okay. And now the overall, please. 80.
Ya siktir git dedim amına koyarım seni.
That's a really good one.
Thank you, thank you.
Now you can take a seat.
I'm
and
really buying this
We'll
game.
see how it's your turn.
Geldi 80
Okay, what is this?
milyon euro.
So
Burada büyük makara olabilir çünkü Türkiye'deki en yüksek reytingli adam.
Evet.
Oynuyorsa hele bir de oyunu biliyorsa büyük taşak dönmüştür burada.
first, let's start with the overall.
Hey, be humble. Huh?
Ananı sikeyim! Oğlum oyunda 92 yok amına koyayım!
O kadar da değil hocam.
Lan oyunda 92 yok amına koyayım!
Mbappe falan da şey tutuyor.
Yürü git amına koyayım ya. Bir sikimden anladığın yok. Bedava konuş.
What is this? Sorry, Messi.
It's too easy.
Pardon Messi diyor.
We have to talk about it.
Sorry.
First, we have to talk about it. Like,
Calm now, calm.
I swear.
You know what I go in 25?
What?
Bro, I'm like 90.
Aa oynuyor demek ki.
Hayır oğlum 90 özel kartıydı amına koyayım 87 yine. 90'dım diyor.
Something, bro.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, bro.
No way.
You're 86.
Me 86.
Yeah?
Maybe we
Hey,
are.
guys.
Maybe we don't have the same. Maybe we don't have the same. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, please go ahead.
Pace. I think yeah.
Okey.
85.
Yeah.
I was thinking.
I think it's fine.
I was thinking more.
Yeah?
I put more. Shoot. You just head in the box.
It was the same.
Fazladır.
Bence de fazladır.
80
Az.
şut ne abi? Forvetsin sen amına.
Az yazdı. Şuta az yazdı.
Come on.
80. Do you agree?
Yes.
Who said no? Who said no?
Sarah.
Don't listen to this guy. Don't listen. Don't listen to this guy.
Abi videoda çok eğlenceli, çok keyif alıyorum videoyu izlerken. Hiçbir problem yok. Bir Fenerbahçeli olarak canım çok sıkıldı, çok makara var.
Evet yani ben üzüldüm
Bunlar-
burada şu anda.
Evet, yani bunlar idmanda falan böylelerse sıkıntı var amına koyayım.
Hep böyleler abi.
Florya suyu içilmiş.
Evet.
Aile.
Mutlular yani. Çok gereksiz mutlular.
Acaba antrenmandan önce mi sonra mı bu?
Maro, what do
Sonradır.
you think? 80?
Of bir de yorum
I
var
think
gene.
it's
Bu
okay.
kadar.
I did it more.
It's fair.
83.
83.
Maybe.
Leroy?
It's okay. 80, 83.
80 is
yes,
good.
yes.
Yeah? Okay. You got passing, bro.
To be honest, not so much quality. Not so much quality. Before you cook me, I know.
He's cooking himself already. Okay.
Nah.
65 is too long.
Ya hayır o kadardır Osimhen ne olacak ya?
Yani
When we
abi.
talk about long passes,
72-73 vardır ya yine.
so much. I know my strength. I know my
Your
strength.
card is 92. That's what you guessed.
Wait.
Yeah.
There are some, yeah, if he's 92, there are some part.
Şimdi Osimhen'in bölümler geliyor abi. Dribbling, fizik.
That will be so lesser. So this place is less for me. Okay. No problem.
Okay.
No.
But what do you think? 65 passing?
No. I think 55.
Don't listen to this guy. I told you every
It's
time.
passing, bro.
Leroy, what do you think?
65. 70, 75.
70,
Yeah, me
75?
too.
Yeah?
70, 70.
You know, most of the time, you don't believe in yourself, and others have to believe for you.
Yeah.
That's what he's doing for me.
Not coming.
Hey, we played yesterday.
Don't listen to him.
Ya amına koyayım sana ile ne ara bu kadar yakın oldunuz ya?
Can sıkıcı.
Şuraya bak.
Come on.
Okay, dribbling.
Don't listen to him.
Dribbling.
I think I did the Zidane. You know this? I did that. Yeah.
Can sıkmaya devam ediyor.
I will give myself 70.
Okay.
Çok kötü verdiler.
Defense. For a striker, you're good at
Yeah.
defending, I would say.
Working a lot.
Yes. I think 70.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Fiziksel
agree,
şey.
boys? Yeah? Physicality.
This guy.
This has to be good. 81.
80.
I think higher.
So how
Oh,
92, bro?
Gabi is 78.
Gabi,
physically.
If Gabi is 78,
70.
yeah,
You
but
need higher. Minimum 84. Minimum.
But this is what I give myself. I don't want to exaggerate way too much.
Okay.
Minimum 84 for me.
Amına koyayım 92 yazsın overall'a.
Minimum 84 for you.
84 minimum.
Okay, now let's reveal. Let's start with the pace. 92. Of course, Shoot it.
guy.
81. 84. Wow.
Good, huh?
Okay. 65. Wow.
Well done, well
I told you. You don't care about myself. I told you.
Dribbling. 81. Wow. wait.
42.
Abi çok korkuyorum. 2 kahkaha sonra Galatasaray'ın kanalına abone ol tuşuna basacaksın diye.
This is true.
This is true. You have to speak, my friend. Mario, say something.
Okay, you guys first talk about it. What do you think?
This is so
He's
accurate.
our first defender.
Yeah.
It's accurate.
Respect.
I don't come to help you in midfield
42
anymore.
is
Artık sana yardım etmeyeceğim diyor.
Maro.
Nah, impossible.
Too
But
low,
it's
huh?
Mario.
It's too low.
Yeah.
Bro, I
Guys,
think
this is
the
so
level
bad,
of
huh?
accuracy
This
of
is so
this
bad.
game is higher.
Osi, if you wanna talk to the game about
I
this, now is
swear,
the time.
Alayınızın götünü sikeyim diyor mu şimdi ne güzel.
Guys, this is defense is so bad. It's so bad. I don't accept this one. I
Congratulations.
don't accept.
Who made this game? Congratulations. They are.
Physicality. 84.
Yeah. Of course, brother.
Good,
I
huh?
was on the right track also, no?
Yeah, well,
Şaşıracak şimdi 92 yazdı.
Yeah.
good. But
And
92 is quite.
let's go for overall.
Now 92.
87'yi beğenmiyor adam ya.
He's a respectful.
I think he said it, yeah.
He's a respectful card, brother.
Yeah, it's
It's not bad, not
it's one
bad.
of the best in the game.
Yeah, it's not bad, it's not bad.
So are you happy?
I think I have to work more to get to this.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh wow.
We will see.
50 goals this season?
I don't know. I-
92 ne amına koyayım, oyunda 92 yok ya.
Your turn.
Finally.
Sane eksi 7 değil mi bu sene? Geçen sene 85'ti galiba.
20 ihtimalle.
Abi biz o overall'ları biliyor muyuz oynarken,
First
izlerken şu an?
Neyin overall'larını? Vay
Şu an-
çıktı canım çıktı. 85'ti 80 eksi 2 aldı galiba evet.
Start with the attributes. Pace.
Pace.
82 olduysa 84'tü geçen sene o zaman.
Am I faster than you?
Me? You're faster than him.
No, wait, come on.
He's 74, I think.
No, hey, Leroy, you are faster than Victor for sure, bro.
I say 93 then.
Oha! Çok yazdı.
Wow, okay.
For me, it's 99.
You guys agree?
99, maybe 100.
Yeah, okay, shooting.
I don't know. Say 82.
What do you think, guys?
82.
Yeah.
Maro? Yeah? Okay.
85
Passing.
maybe.
I'm alright with passing.
I mean, OC is 65.
Then I do 75.
80, 75, I think.
75.
Yeah.
75.
I think so too, yeah. Dribbling, I think it's your strength.
Abi hıza 92 yazdıysan 94 yazacaksın dribling'e ki. Sane'nin en iyi özelliği
Yani.
dribling değil mi abi?
Evet.
He doesn't agree, maybe. It's like, I don't know, man.
What should I do? 80.
81, bro. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Neden 85 olması lazım?
Ben de kıyaslama kendini.
We do 86.
89,
86.
Okay.
90 is good.
Yeah.
86.
86?
Defensive.
Budur. 85-86'dır Sane'nin driblingi.
Not that good. What you mean? What up?
Leroy.
He's no more than 10.
10 diyor amına koyayım.
You think he doesn't defend?
For me, it's like 59.
59?
I think he defends really well with the eye, you know?
Yeah. I'm not winning many balls. I just close the gaps. So I have to change sides. I don't know. I said low anyways. Just give me...
I think like 60 maybe.
60?
60. You said 60. No, I just said...
55, I think.
What do you think, Maro?
Nah,
give me a number.
50, maybe
say-
50.
If Victor is 42,
You are like 55.
I would have said 35, yeah.
35.
I would have said 35.
Let's check. Yeah, but you is just because
And
it's back
You don't see when I came back from the corner.
I would say the same.
Yeah, for some strength.
No,
Physicality,
man.
No,
Yeah, but like...
strength, bro. Come on.
Ah, you're strong, man.
Are you stronger than Gabi?
I think you're strong.
Wait.
Yeah, 78?
Wait. I think you were 77, man.
Gabi, 77.
And overall rating.
I said 84.
Yok 82 idi galiba gördüm ben bunu ya.
Yeah, 84.
Yeah? Okay. And now time to reveal. Let's start with pace.
87 for sure.
87?
Dedim abi çok yazdı. Test. Oho kral hoş geldin.
Wow.
Ama dedim abi 96 çoktu. Bana ipnelik yaptınız. Origan ipneler sizi. Yavşaklar. Hakkımı yediniz dedim size çok diye. Oyun oynuyoruz abi.
Mario, did you make the game or what?
I know my guys. I know my guys. He's a good coach. Should be.
80.
Okay.
Pretty accurate.
Pasta okey.
Passing.
İyi yayınlar sarmadı bu içerik. Baba değişelim. İpizilsin hoş geldin. Senin yanına iyi değişelim bakalım. Balon date var.
That's 75, right? Yeah.
75, yeah. Sorry, it's a whole book, but
70,
Nasıl?
yeah.
78.
Dribbling de okey.
Yeah, reasonable.
It's
Are
okay.
you happy with it?
I like it, yeah. It's fine.
Dribbling.
Okey. 86'dır.
85. Good. I told you that was your
Yeah.
strong point.
That's
What do you guys say?
Defans 45 falan çıkacak bence.
37.
37.
Spot on, guys. Spot on.
Let's check.
Physicality. 68.
It's alright.
I think
Icardi gelsin ya.
honest with yourself, brother.
Fine with it.
You're really honest.
Wait. What do you think for the overall?
Makara yapalım.
81, no.
Huh?
81. No.
82.
84.
84, Gabi?
83.
83.
Okay, let's see. 82.
Eksi 2 yemiş.
Bravo. Bravo. Thank you, bro.
I don't agree with this.
Okay, Captain Mauro, your turn,
Icardi gelsin ya, evet.
please.
Aa geldi.
Can be going 82.
Geldi baba geldi ya.
Icardi'nin kaç yediğini hatırlamıyorum. Eksi yediğine eminim. Icardi 79 falandır overall.
Oo. Amına koyayım.
Bence.
80'dir en az bence.
79-80 arası.
Gabriel
bekliyorum.
Sara 80.
Yeah, I know.
79-80'dir ya.
This is.
Abi ne yaptın amına koyayım? 81 çok anasını sikmişim ortalığını öldürmüşüm ya. 80 dedim 81 mi? Çok özür diliyorum bütün Galatasaray camiasından Sayın Dursun Özbek'ten. Çok büyük terbiyesiz. 80 dedik. Okan Buruk kusura bakma hocam.
Before injury.
Before injury?
Yeah, okay. Are you sure? Yeah, I think so. Okay, let's say
değerli
we think it's
düşünelim.
before
Okay.
injury. Okay.
Let me check.
So we start with pace.
Yeah. 81.
81?
Yeah.
You think, boys?
I think.
Yeah.
I don't think.
81.
81, yeah.
81, yeah.
Okay.
Yani
78.
Okay.
Bence çok bu
Shooting.
arada Icardi'ye 80. 70,
Abi-
75.
hayır o da çok.
85.
Bilendim mi acaba amına koyayım Icardi'ye şampiyonluk gitti diye.
85?
85? Yeah.
88.
81?
Put 88, 89.
Yok be yarak mı o be. 88-89 ne bu amına koyayım.
88.
I mean, if Gabi
Yamal mı bu amına koyayım 88-89 verecekmiş.
88.
Around this.
You see?
I think can be close to Osi, yeah?
Like Osi?
around
No.
86.
Better than us.
Exactly.
Okay, 86.
86.
Kişi eğleniyorlar amına
Passing?
koyayım ya.
Also good.
Good.
Okay.
78.
Pas 71 diyorum.
Gabi 82.
A little bit.
Also,
Yeah? 81?
78.
80.
Like
Okay.
You have a good eye. Yeah.
Okay.
dribbling?
Dribbling.
No.
No?
Dribbling?
Abi dripling'e kaç yazacak çok merak ettim.
But because you're striker, they put you high. Yeah, but I don't dribble.
75.
It's too much, I think. 70.
70?
No?
I think,
Abi 70 tabii ya.
I think more.
Yeah?
yeah.
I think you should put yourself high because the next one is defense. No, but dribbling. Okay, say
70.
70.
Ya budur.
Okay.
Okay,
In the middle.
Yeah, in the middle. Defense.
Defense.
Okay, guys.
He's good.
Let's have that again.
He's good at set. He's good.
How much, Mario?
This is so good.
What?
Set pieces is so good.
Yalnız Osimhen Icardi'yi inanılmaz seviyor. Çok belli videodan biliyor musun? Bak diğerleri taşağı arıyor. İnanılmaz saygı göstermiş Icardi'ye.
Abi ama hepsinin birbirine karşı yine şeyi
Yok
var ya.
yine taşak var. Osimhen Icardi'ye ekstra bir saygı duyuyor. Ya bir saygı, respect var yani.
This is so good.
What?
Set pieces is so good, huh? For
Yeah?
Clarence.
Yeah?
Of course.
Okay, but give me a rating then. So,
Oğlum sizin düşman olmanız lazım. Amını sikeyim bu ülkede tek forvet oynanıyor.
Yeah.
Should be honest.
Keyifleri çok yerinde bize geçmiş olsun. Dur abi bizimkileri de göreceğiz şimdi.
Honest?
yeah?
Honest.
İnecek samandıra ruhum.
39.
No.
You know what? Because it's 42. It's 42, it's 37. I put you in the middle of them.
35'tir ya defans.
30 because you come back. Yeah, for the set pieces, you know? You come back for the set pieces. Only for this. Yeah, for the set pieces. Okay, go ahead. 30. 30?
I don't think so, huh?
30 is too low.
35 ya defans.
No. It's too small.
Yeah.
It's too small.
Sané, 37. Come on.
40 is good.
40.
Physicality.
Physicality. Ben 65 diyorum.
Soruları izlemiş halin mi abi yoksa?
Niye?
Var ya fiziği küçük birazcık.
Ya amına koyayım seni. Ona bakarak konuşsam 5 derim amına
Feel
koyayım.
now? 80?
Zamanında Aziz Baba demişti Brezilyalı çetesi diye yine oluştu. Saçmalama, Brezilyalılarla yakaladım bütün başarıları Emir ya.
Strong.
80 mi?
And overall.
81, 82.
Nah, come on man.
I think 80.
I think 85 is
Bak görüyor musun Osimhen'i?
Nasıl
Ya,
öyle?
Osman fazla bir can sıkıyor.
85, 86, I think.
85?
86.
Okay. I put them, we check.
84.
Okay. 84.
Okay, now let's reveal.
Okay.
Start with pace, Maro.
Let me check.
84 kilo mu yazdı lan acaba? Ne oldu? Ne oldu lan? Ne oldu? He?
Bakışa baksana nasıldır.
What? What?
Ne var bu?
What? Hey,
Come on, bro.
you wanna say?
Speak to them, Maro.
You know, I say...
Ceko'nun kaçtır abi mesela forvet olarak hızı
Bu
bunlar.
sene
Bir şey değilse.
Ceko'nun herhalde 53-54 falan çıkar.
Is that fair? Come on.
Maro, they're doing this
Is that danger?
When he was in the hospital.
I mean, straight after the surgery.
Hastanede yatarken hazırlamışlar.
Hey, with any,
Wait, I have something to say.
Topallayarak
I mean,
koşuyor.
Gabi 78 was a joke. Physicality. But this is even more joke. What is this?
Impossible.
Yeah,
This is
This is
impossible.
impossible.
This
Impossible.
catastrophe. Impossible, man.
We don't know.
I
Maybe
think
they
it's
made
now-
the rates.
this
He
is
was in the
actually-
hospital when they
yeah.
missed it.
This is after injury for sure.
Let me check. Shit.
Thing.
Yani.
It's okay.
Yeah, good.
Passing.
Passing.
Abi 80 çok. 69-70 bekliyorum.
82.
Abi biz bu oyunun kitabını yazmışız ya.
Ah.
O abi.
No.
Hey guys,
Hey, it's
you
not real.
killed Mauro.
It's not real. I think I don't play,
Dribbling.
Dribbling. 76. Okay.
Yeah, this is okay.
This is
Let's
fine.
say
Burada ben
75.
patladım.
Now time for defense, boys. What?
Sarmadı bu balana geç Brom 5K hazır. Hasan öyle bir içeriğimiz yok maalesef hocam. Hani çok fazla donate gönderip video değiştiremiyoruz. Öyle bir yayın akışımız yok. Bunlar bittikten sonra Balon Date izleyeceğiz zaten.
But I think.
Ben yine de bir 50K atıp dene.
40 is
I swear, this is fire.
500'e şov var.
Should be 36.
40.
O zaman duruşun için. Tekrar. Her türlü bin Hasan kıyak adamsın. Teşekkürler.
I go for you.
Bu alkışlar sana gelsin o zaman.
No way. I knew it. Okay, physicality.
Fiziğe 80 yazdı değil mi?
73. Okay. After
73 de çok.
1 month, 2 months later, 80. Okay. Yeah. And now overall.
81, I said before.
Yeah.
No?
81.
81, I said.
81, the same. Yeah.
84.
Moderatörü de ben çok beğendim ama.
Come on.
Git takip et o zaman 4-3.
Uyum sağlıyor anlamında.
City git takip et Galatasaray'la.
Ediyor zaten gizliden bence.
İlk hesabımı nereden buldun abi?
Senin gibi Fenerli'nin tamına koyayım lan.
Ya Ataberk Doğan şu video içinde kaç kere kahkaha atmıştır. Tebessümleri geçelim.
Don't accept this, brother. 81, come on. No.
Mario,
Yes. Okay. Calm down. Calm down.
let's start with
Sakatlıktan dolayı düşüş. Yoksa Icardi yaştan dolayı en fazla 2 düşerdi.
physicality.
Physicality.
Yeah, let's start with.
But I know they don't respect me a lot.
Yeah.
So, but what you guess?
Fener izlendi mi? Manyak mısın oğlum? Şampiyonu sona sakladık yarrağım.
What you guess? It's my only strength for the.
90 for me. 90. Yes. 90. Yeah.
Physicality,
90, no?
90.
Yeah.
Say, he got, come on. 84, yeah, you can give you a 90. He's strong.
The 90 is too much.
Hey.
Overall'a mı 90 diyor?
Fiziğe
Ya siktir git dedim amına koyalım.
mi?
90 is too much.
Fiziğe diyor ya.
We didn't play together.
87.
Ha fiziğe. Yine 90 çok lan. O da çok.
When you will feel it.
What do you think then?
84, 85.
90 değil de 85 plus diyorum ben.
Ya hadi siktir git ya 82. Max.
90 I think is too much.
87.
Yes, I put 87 as well.
Bro, put in 95, bro.
No, 87.
87, okay.
Barış'ı 90 yaptılar bu sene de Barış bu sene oyunda kullanabileceğiniz en iyi Türk kart haberiniz olsun. Barış'ın hızı da 90
93'te hızı var.
93 mü ne? Evet. Barış'ı bu sene oyunda yani Türk oynayacaksanız Barış banko takımınızda olacak bu sene.
Defense.
Defense.
78 diyorum defansa.
84.
84. Me too.
Defansif orta saha için düşük değil mi ya?
Let's give that to you.
Evet abi.
Göreceğiz abi.
Now we pass now. Speed. So you know what?
Dribbling.
You know what?
60 küsur olsa okey.
No, but I think his dribbling is good.
Now I was good dribbling.
But was in Premier League or in
Probably 60.
Super League?
60. Yeah.
No.
60-55 I think.
Yeah, I think his
think
dribbling
so,
is
bro.
good, man.
My, I stopped dribbling
Abi Lemina'nın driblingi kaç olacak oyunda? Olsun 63 olsun ya.
because I have better dribblers than me.
No, before he came.
Before you guys came.
It was Southampton Mario or no? What
if it's now, I have to be honest.
Now be honest. I think 75 at least.
Bu abi. Yani bence bu da çok da.
What? 67? No.
65'ten
What, you
biraz
think
şey
less?
alsa okey ya.
I think 60 Mario.
Little bit more? We will see. And I will be really happy.
Okay, passing.
69 diyorum.
I don't know if I pass again. I pass to Gabi after Gabi create.
Your passes are good to me, but so.
Good to you? But that's fine.
Okay. 70?
72.
Okay. Shooting?
Olabilir. Şut eksi 5.
37.
Really bad?
Like my defense, bro. It's the same.
Bro,
We equal it out.
Just put-
like
Yeah.
my defense is
Add 2 more.
37.
39.
where?
Your shooting.
I know you're an honest guy, bro.
30.
You are honest guy. I know.
I'm an honest guy, huh?
You're an honest guy.
Hey Gabi 74.
Nah, Gabi is good shooter. 74. But I'm low.
I think 40, bro.
No, let's please.
62.
Çok yazdı şuta.
This guy.
62 şut çekemeyen futbolcunun da ben amına
I think
koyayım
I
ya.
am 60 at least. If he's 62, I don't buy it. I think 70.
It's been a long time I didn't shoot her.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I have to pass them because after I have
I
problems.
understand. Then pace.
Pace.
71.
Tell me. I'm slow. I'm slow.
Yukarıda bile 67 ise
100%.
Yeah, of course. So look, he's 74.
Impossible. I cannot be low.
You cannot be low.
I
I think 70, 78.
check my.
Oh, careful.
This is joke. No, this is joke for you. But I think
If you are
I'm
lower
quite
than me,
faster.
you know one. I'm lower than me.
70.
Yeah.
I say in the game, If you're realistic, they give you a 70.
Yeah, because
Just because of the game.
it's true. It's true.
71.
I think 75 or something.
Physicality will be high,
I
but
think 70.
Faster, but like I
you are-
say,
I want to be happy. I want to be happy at the end.
Güzel yazdı.
I think
overall?
6-8.
Overall'ı 78 diyorum Lemina'ya.
Gabi is
78-79.
78-79 arası.
78 olsa bu videoya koymazlar ya.
Mauro is 81.
En az
Niye?
80'dir.
Bence
Tamam, bro,
78-79.
ama-
Oğlum Türkiye Ligi için kötü overall'lar değil bunlar.
72. I think 79.
I would say 79.
One below me.
I think so.
Abi şu an Ronaldo bile
He's lower than
85.
Gabi.
79.
Yeah, I say 79.
Because now you guys,
Osman daha iyi o zaman.
I don't trust you guys. You make mistake on Mauro.
Bro, I don't do anything. Why do you blame me? I'm just
Okay,
here.
you guys.
78-79.
But unfortunately, you're gonna be the guilty.
Yeah, exactly.
You're gonna be the
That's how
guilty.
it is.
78, I think.
78. Wow. I want to put
79.
79.
79.
In the house. Okay. Just for myself.
Okay, let's begin.
Go from your.
Go from physicality. Yeah.
Düşük.
73.
Baba kitabını yazmışım amına koyayım ya.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
83.
No, it's not fair. It's not fair.
Okay.
Defans 84 çıkabilir.
Almost there.
Okay.
Almost there.
Defense 78.
Nah.
Fair enough.
No. No, no.
Okay, dribbling.
Dribbling.
Should be higher.
Hey guys, respect me.
Siktir git ya. Bu sefer ben patladım. 76 dribbling Lemina'ya çok bu arada.
I was Maracana in the past. Passing.
Yeah.
72. I think it's lower now. I don't pass anymore.
75.
It's good card. It's good.
Saçmalık.
Shooting.
Yani Sara'nın pası 83 ise Lemina'nınki 75 olamaz.
Hey.
How much?
It's okay.
Oh, no way. It's okay.
It's a good card.
Yeah, it's a really good card.
Wow, what
Oha amına koyayım.
What?
Sonra yapı yok diye gezersiniz sağda solda. Burada da mı be? Siktirin gidin amına. Alın liginizi götünüze sokun. Çekin lan takımı ligden amına koyarım böyle oyunu.
Sorry, Mauro.
Bu arada Lemina iyi kartmış ha.
Evet.
Evet.
Kullanılabilecek kart yani.
Mauro,
We were saying the game.
more than me? Impossible. Mauro, I'm faster than.
Gabi more than
You
me.
have a lot of.
No way Gabi is faster than Mauro. No way. No chance.
We know.
İnşallah ironidir amına koyayım. Ya Cemil beyninin içinde mercimek mi var? Sence bunu ciddi söylemiş olabilir miyim? Alın liginizi götünüze sokun falan bir oyun için. Twitter'dan çık oğlum hayatı yaşa amına koyayım. Çimene bas biraz ya. Şu siktimin Twitter'ında gezmeyin bu kadar
Arkadaşlarla
ya.
çakalaş amına koyayım ya.
It's a mistake.
Bro,
You
but
need to solve the problem because you don't
hey,
have.
hey, at the surgery.
And overall,
Before the surgery.
Overall.
79, 70.
79 bence de.
It's okay.
80.
I think 88, 78.
Oh, that's good.
It's a good card.
İyi kart.
Arkadaşlar ilk bölümde kendi reytinglerini tahmin etmeye çalıştılar. Şimdi ise takım arkadaşlarını tahmin etmeye çalışacaklar. Ve en çok bilen kazanacak. Bakalım hangisi kazanacak.
Oo bizde de böyle mi acaba videonun ikinci? Gerçi FIFA yaptıysa bizimki de böyledir.
Aynen.
Oğlum bizde Ederson, Asensio falan İrfan Can Eğribayat'ı nereden tanısın amını sikeyim bizimki.
If you guys are ready, let's start. First one.
İrfan için yaktık o zaman.
Ha değilmiş bizimki.
Yes.
Ha dur.
Has to be Yunus, bro.
Bence de Yunus.
87 hız olamaz ya.
Oğlum saçmalama olur. Bence de Yunus bu.
Yunus or Roland?
Yunus.
Look the defensive, bro.
Yeah, I think so.
Yunus ya.
Yeah, you guys say Yunus. Let's see the nationality and then maybe
Yunus abi %100 Yunus.
yeah, Yunus.
Yunus.
All Yunus.
Barish.
Okay.
Yok Yunus.
He has
Please show your boards.
Barish.
No, can't be.
Yunus.
Say also
Yunus.
Wait.
Yunus.
Wait.
Osi is still thinking.
What's the physicality?
The last
Physicality 61.
Yes, Yunus. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Please show as well, Osi. Okay, let's see who that is. Yunus.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Next one.
7 is fast.
Too much, eh?
Too much.
This is interesting. Yes.
Bu kim biliyor musunuz?
Defans.
Apo.
Koç Kerim mi?
Wait.
The last one is what?
There's
only
one like this, huh?
I think Elias.
No, come on, bro.
No, physicality is high, bro.
It's Bardak.
Bardak.
59 the pace.
Apple.
Apo.
Yeah.
Right? I don't know. Don't look at me, bro. I really don't know.
Apple.
Apple is good.
Yeah, Apple.
Let's look at the nationality first.
Hey,
Turkish.
Apple.
Okay.
Hoca Kerim
The
sen
pass is too high
tercih.
for Apple.
Bir şey söyleyeceğim. Abdülkerim de iyi kart. 85. Hız düşük ama
Wow, guys, bravo. Bravo.
What the F?
sadece koşmuyor. Çakılı stoper oynatacaksın.
Okay.
So is
Next one.
too much, Apple.
Yeah, it's 80.
Abi Türkiye Ligi'ni oynarkeni düşüneceksin. Yani Ultimate'de Apo'yu koyarsan oraya içinden geçerler bir de meleğe.
I'm really curious who this one is actually.
Oh. What is this? 90.
Hız 90.
90.
Come on, Leroy, bro.
This is Barish.
Hey, you should sue this game.
Barış evet.
This is Barish.
Yeah,
Barış'ın-
physicality 68 can't be Barış.
Fizik 68.
Aa Barış değil bu. Barış'ın hız 93'tü zaten. Bu kim biliyor musun morukçum? Barış değil bu, hayır.
Kimi kıralım?
Jakobs olabilir bu.
Ya da Nescafe.
Barış.
Alan.
So who? Physicality is high, no?
Ben olsan Emre hoş geldin.
Ah, it's Barish.
Shoot Barish.
It's
Wait.
Barish.
Good night.
Good night.
Ah, okay.
Açsana memleketi dayı.
Makes sense.
Makes sense that he has 19 pace.
Yeah.
I think this is Barish.
No, bro. Barış, but how
Physicality,
Barış
bro.
can be 68? Physicality.
Maybe it's Roland.
I say Roland is the only one who's also still fast in the team.
I think you will be like, yeah, okay, fair, when you see the guy.
Elias is fast, huh?
90, bro. Come on.
I don't know why I put this, but
The physicality is too high for
Don't
Elias.
look at
Who you choose?
I don't know why.
Let me see.
It's-
Okay.
That's
Yok canım Eren'de değil.
Why, but I want
I
Jakobs
wait
ya.
for Gabi and Osman.
I think you're right, huh?
I think.
Yeah, it's true. I accept.
You accept?
Yeah, I accept.
Eren is, yeah, he's fast,
Wait,
but
the nationality will tell.
No,
Kızıl
that is
takım
not
olmuş
fair.
ya.
That's true. No, but
Yunus çok hızlı.
Galatasaray'ın takımı
No, you
olmuş
can't.
I
Fener'in
I-
hızlısı kimdir abi?
Yani Fener'in kartları da göreceğiz şimdi de şu anki tahminlerime göre Fenerbahçeli kardeşlerim sakın derbide iddiaya girmeyin. Galatasaray'ın oyun mentalitesi olarak galiba bizim çok üstümüzde şu anda. Çünkü bu oyun biliyorsunuz hızlı oyuncularla oynanır. Başlangıç evresinde ve VS'lerde şu an biraz problem var gibi, haberiniz olsun.
You wrote it already.
Bizim Darçı Burak'ımız var.
What's that?
Tutarmaz.
Is it okay? Yo?
I say something.
yeah.
I think it's Roland. You say something, I think it's Roland. Say it's not fair.
Bro, for that,
Gerçi Kerem Merem dur bakalım, toparlarız bence ya.
just Iso, bro.
Oh, Eren, my friend.
Iso is too fast, bro.
And Eren is slow.
No, yeah, but I think Iso is faster, bro. For 90, bro, for 90,
Leroy. I'm sorry.
because bro,
I go for
Leroy would be
Roland.
my
I
guess.
can't, you
Roland.
think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
You
go
said,
Roland.
you said
Abi
Roland.
aç şu
You said
memleketi
Roland.
be.
okay, then it's Roland.
I go Roland.
But I say
But
Gabi
first
is
you said-
right.
Okay.
You can clean it. Clean this
You
one.
said Roland. Okay. Okay, guys, so
Olmasam bile seveceğim seni.
Come on.
What?
Hey.
Yeah.
I understand that, yeah.
Come on.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, sh-
It's because I saw the rest of the things, you know. So.
I go for this one.
Oh yes. İşte bu.
Torrik.
76 hızlı
Torrik.
defans.
Torrik. Torrik.
Okay.
Torrik.
Abi ne bu samimiyet Torik falan ya. Torreira desene şuna.
But Aaron is faster than 76.
İyice Twitter piçi oldum.
Iso is faster than him.
Yeah, but 76
Hani kanımız da
is
bozuktu aramızda.
Harder. This is hard, huh? Because the defense is high, bro.
Barbaros
Defensive
kontrolleri
side,
iyi
ya.
yap.
This is Luca.
Kalik is 79.
Khalid 79. Bro.
Tamam
This
abi.
is Luca. This is Luca.
Yeah. Write your thing. Write your thing. Hide it. You don't need to get advice to the others. But Lucas.
This
Hey, what are you looking to my brother?
What's wrong with you, man?
Why
But
the
dribbling 81?
Dribbling 81
Yes.
possible.
Luca dribble.
Gabi?
No, keep for myself. Victor is.
Yeah.
is
I already written
point
mine.
to my bird.
Any idea, Maro?
No.
As well.
Because you don't want to accept.
Oğlum izlemekle ne alakası var yarrak? Oyuna hakim olan herkes zaten tahmin edebilir yani. Oyunu benim gibi oynayan herkes tahmin ediyordur 3 aşağı 5 yukarı.
But you know who it is. You know who it is.
Possible, Lucas 81. Impossible.
You don't want to accept, but
The defense is good.
Defense
so
good,
it
yeah.
should be.
but yeah. Dribbling 81 is high, yeah?
Abi %100 kart Torreira bu arada.
I think it's this.
Siktir lan böyle Davinson mu olur?
What do you think, Milo? Mario?
Is my boy in the middle? But I think he's overrated. Dribbling is overrated.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, time to write it down. Time's up. Sure?
I think.
Okay. Has to be him, bro. We try.
Okay, Lucas. Lucas.
Yes.
Lucas.
I was guessing Roland, but
I told you. It's Luca.
Yes.
Easy,
Torreira.
man.
Ananı sikeyim.
Roland, but
I told you. It's Luca.
Yes.
Easy,
Torreira.
man. I told you. You see, you copy
I didn't want to believe it, bro.
Copy me.
I didn't want to
Stupid,
believe it.
You copy me.
İnanılmaz dengeli kart
Maro
evet.
is not gonna buy the game.
İçimden dengeli dedim.
Okay.
I think dribbling was too high.
Bak diğerlerini görmedim. Davinson Sanchez. Davinson Sanchez.
Yeah, no.
Mitric 53. Davinson.
No way.
Defend.
Ya Davinson nasıl hızlı 82 olur ya?
Ne
Stopersin sen
olacak
ya.
abi Davinson zaten süratli.
Davison.
Easy.
For sure. Yeah, you think?
Easy.
I don't know. I didn't
Oh,
check.
but easy. Obvious.
88. The defense is
Yeah.
Obvious.
For
Yeah.
sure.
Davison.
Leroy?
Hey,
Okay. I wait for Leroy.
David.
Barış. Yeah, but defense is 82.
Yeah, I didn't look at this.
Siz şimdi Barış'ın kartı görün varsa eğer.
Davinson.
I want
Look at his
Sanchez.
face, bro. Why is he so angry, bro? What is this, bro? Next one, guys. Kim
Defansif
bu
ortası.
kabiliyetsiz zamana koyayım? Kaan Ayhan olabilir bu.
Wait.
Who is this?
269, 78, 76.
Kaan Ayhan Kaan.
Okay.
Mauro, what was your pace? 60 something? 67.
67, yeah.
Okay, he's the slowest in the team, I think. I think.
Yeah, normally it's Gabi. But
Why you looking at me?
You're right.
Normally it's Gabi, but
And Gabi,
yeah, fine. I'm pretty sure I'm right.
I think you're right.
Ya orospu çocuğuyum izlediysem niye böyle yapıyorsunuz abi? FIFA oynayan herkes yapabilir bunları ya.
I think it's... My pace was right, bro. Come on.
Sen bu videoyu normalde hiç
Defense is
izlemezsin
giving you
bence
some
zaten
hints,
ya.
I think. I think I know who that is, so I didn't look, but I think I know. So defense. And physicality is giving. Also good at passing.
Bak Fenerbahçe'ninkini izleme şansım da yoktu. Yayındaydım. Orada da aynısını dediniz, yarrağı yediniz.
I
I mean,
found.
it's obvious in my opinion.
I found.
I guess
I don't
one.
know how to write.
Yeah, I guess one, but
Mario. Don't tell each other
I
now.
guess one,
Just
but
write
I
it
don't
down
know.
and
Yes.
throw it. I can
right
give
away?
you a hint because you're the captain.
No. Hey, no.
No, no, no.
Easy.
I put this.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, ready?
but I don't know.
Show me.
Bunlardan mı izledi amına koyayım?
Can.
Bro, I gave you a hint. Bro, how can you say that? Eren is fast, bro. It's
Turkish.
But Eren is fast. Let's go.
Bu Eren olabilir.
This is hard, huh?
This is really hard.
Bek için
I
defansı
don't
düşük
want to
geldi
say
bana.
anything.
Şallahı, şallahı diyor chat.
I know who it is.
Şallahı mı?
Chat izlemiş asıl.
İkna izlemişsiniz.
Nah, I can't tell.
Son
Hey,
kart mı?
wait, take a look to my board. What's this?
He already wrote it. He can't change it anymore, so don't worry. Okay, ready, boys? Please show it to me.
This time it is him. I had him earlier.
Oğlum Sara full çekti amına koyayım.
Roland also not fair.
This will tell you who that is.